Hello my lovelies, Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. Dr. Marco Lenz, Zelens, has just launched his long-awaited Omega Shiso Replenishing Serum. So I ask you the question, you want a skin like raisin or grape? And this is all to do with the water principle. So effectively, water is one thing, but being enabled to hold and retain it is a very different story. When you have a dry, dehydrated skin, it points to the fact that the skin integrity has been compromised. And in point of fact, the geography of the skin translates as old, dry, wrinkly skin. Well, I have the solution for you. The Omega Shiso Replenishing Serum is the answer. I haven't as yet had the fun of putting it on yet out of the brand new bottle, and I start to do that now. Very light in texture. Remember, omegas mean lipids. So what's in the serum? Firstly, beautiful, Shiso. Shiso is Japanese mint. But what's interesting, it has been energetically synthesized to divvy up into two actives. The first is fatty acids and the other is glycerides. Now these are very high in omega-3 and that is what we want. Gee, that is beautiful. Feels super. So that's the Shiso part. The squalene is Mediterranean olive that really boosts my lipid on the outer surface of the epidermis, making sure that my hydrolipidic film is not compromised. The next is medical grade vitamin F. This is interesting. Polyunsaturated oils, oleic, linoleic acid stops transepidermal water loss. Medical grade vitamin E, tocopherol, skin nutrition preserves the hydrolipidic film. This is important. Bioidentical lipids. If your cell membrane has tears, it means we need to refashion and rework it, and Dr. Marco Lenz does it with phospholipids. Reworks the structure and the integrity of the cell membrane so that it can hold water in the cytoplasm. Phytosterols are very, very important, particularly with hormonal aging. When you incorporate phytosterols, it lowers the cortisol level in the skin, making sure we don't have collagen degradation. Ceramides, key ingredient. We need those ceramides to perfect the skin so it does not lose any water, no transepidermal water loss. So effectively, we're going to have a plumped, hydrated, nourished skin. We will restore the natural barrier of the hydrolipidic film and be more beautiful than ever. This is what I want for you. Please get yours. It's divine. See you soon.